If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain jars of DIY body butter into these lovely rhinestone and planner charm embellished jars, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so I made some body butter and I did not record myself making it because I made a video doing it already. I got these jars off Amazon. They're really cute. These are 4-ounce jars. This is what the body butter looks like. And I wanted to make these for the Sunday school group of ladies from church. They're very nice, classy ladies. Very classy, mature trim around the edges. And I have this rhinestone adhesive sheet. You can get this on Amazon. And I just kind of cut it to the size I need. I'll be using some B7000 glue and a wax pickup tool. And I'll be adding some planner charms, rhinestones, and pearls. I'll be using UV resin as glue and my lamp to cure it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by adding on the trim. And what I'm doing here is just making sure I have enough. I'm gonna clip it right there with the scissors. And then there's like a little backing on there. You just go ahead and pull that backing off. It's very sticky as is, but I'm still going to add a little bit of glue just in case, because you don't want, sometimes it gets hot and things that have self-stick on it kind of slide off or something. It's like some really good 3M tape on there, but I just want to extra secure it. So right here already, you can see how it transformed. I'm just going to show you how I did this just on 2 of the jars. I'm not going to show you all 12 because, you kind of get it. So this is what I do first to the jars. And then I add everything on after that. There's a lot you can do with this rhinestone adhesive sheets, and I'll have a link to where you can purchase them on Amazon. Nice size gems, some rhinestones here, and I have some UV resin. And I'm just going to add some to the top because this is what I like to use. I like to use it as a glue. Let it cure and it locks on and you're all set to go. I really like to use it. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a nice little amount, a little swivel, because you could just either take a toothpick or something and kind of swirl it in. You see how I just kind of laid that flat. Sometimes it oozes on the sides. I do have these planner charms for sale. Well, they're for sale, available on my website. And you can just add the planner charms. Even if you don't, you can add rhinestones. You can add whatever you want. I like to use this UV resin because, for one, it locks in almost instantly. But you do have to have a UV LED lamp, which you can get on Amazon. But look how I'm just knocking these jars out. I feel like I did all these jars. It didn't even take 30 minutes. I don't even think it took 30 minutes because once you just lay everything on there really quickly, of course, yes, I did speed this video up. But once you just get everything on, slide it right up under that UV lamp for about 60 seconds. You could do 2 rounds of it just to be on a safe side. It's locked on instantly. You don't have to wait 8 hours, 24 hours, a couple days for it to cure and dry. It's instant. That's why I really like to use UV resin as glue. And it just works so well. It doesn't work on every single last surface, but on these plastic jars, whatever these lids are made out of, it works perfectly. So I'm just pulling these out. I'm going to show you these 2 right here. But as I continue the video, I'm just going to add all the decor. This time I'm doing like 3 at a time. And then I'll reveal them to you at the end of this video. I just want you to just kind of see how I'm just kind of flowing through it. These planner charms are so versatile. Another great thing that you can do with these, you can make them with bracelets, but you would have to drill little holes in them. You can also turn these into Crocs charms. What you would do is buy those little plunger button plastic pieces off Amazon. Flip them over. You can use either UV resin or you can use a really good stronghold glue. I like to use a Bob Smith. And you can have them be Crocs charms. Now, these also come in handy and are versatile to use them to decorate cell phone cases. I've done a video before in the past where I made myself a cell phone case. I used about 3 or 4 of these, and I just kind of filled the rest in with rhinestones. So there's quite a bit that you can do with these. I do not sell body butter, and this video is not a DIY about making body butter, but I can provide the link to the video of where I did make body butter. It's just a big to do. It's kind of messy. I really only make these when I feel like making them for special people as gifts. It's really good though. Everyone absolutely loves it. They say the jars are so gorgeous, but on top of that, just using a little bit of it goes a long way. You know, on your heels, on your dry cracked hands, kneecaps, like it really comes in handy. But people have told me that because the jar is so cute and so pretty, they kind of don't want to use it. And when they do use it, they use it in very small quantities to make it stretch as long as possible. So I just thought that was really cute and funny. But yes, I love to make them because they look so adorable. These are awesome gifts that you can give for any occasion. If you have a cute little girls' night at your home or whatever the case may be, these can be nice little party favors. You can get even smaller jars and they can be like travel sizes. So these are 4-ounce jars. And I love them because the first time I did this, I used plastic, which is cool. But these are glass jars, so they're a little more heavy duty. And I just thought it just gave it a much more higher quality feel about themselves. So I'm almost done, you guys. These are for women that I made these for. But coming up later in this video, one of them is for a man. So I tried to make his as masculine as possible. So just kind of let me know what you think. I'll let you know when we get to that part. But these planner charms, I just love them. Oh, and you can purchase them off my website. I don't have all of them on here for sale available. These Versace ones were just some of my own personal stash. But the big Chanel ones and the MK, myroyalradiance.com is my website. There's always free shipping. And I do always have like a 10% off coupon code available if you'd like to use it for a special discount. The code is myroyalbeauty10 off if you're interested. Okay, so this is the one. I guess I started it already before I hit record. So I put the Adidas planner charm in the Versace, and instead of adding rhinestones, I know men like rhinestones. Some men do, like on those shirts they wear. Sometimes they're really sparkly and blingy. So yeah, I just went ahead and went with the silver chrome pearls. Oh, I did use rhinestones, but I used black rhinestones, and I thought this came out really nice, you guys. And I'm almost finished. And here is the final finished result of these little body butter jars. And these are all 4-ounce jars. I think there's either 10 or 12 jars here. These came out so pretty. I love making these jars. I've made a few videos doing this already. I know I have. And I just love them. People request them. They cannot be bought. It's just too much for me. And kudos to anyone out there who has like a body butter, sugar scrub type of business, because it's a lot of work. It is. You know, you have to get your nice little shea butter, coconut butter. You melt that down. You get your really good essential oils to get your vitamin E. Coconut oil. I like lanolin oil. What else did I put in here? Oh, I love grapeseed oil. Then you have to add your fragrances. I haven't mastered adding the fragrances yet. I can get a little bit of fragrance in there. And then you have to do the mica powders to add the colors. Then you got to pipe it out the bags. It can get really messy. I enjoy doing it when I feel like doing it. It's not something that I could just have for sale and just pump it out.
But here's a different angle of the jars. I laid them flat so you can just really see the lids really good. I love these. So I took them to church. It's a Sunday school class. And everyone there is just so nice. These ladies are just incredible. I love them. And I gave them I still have a few ladies I have to make some for, but these are absolutely great gifts. They're very impressive. They love them, you guys. They loved them. They were like, oh my gosh, what is this? I just assumed that it would be obvious that it was body butter, but I guess it wasn't as obvious because the jar is so cute. They were like, what's in this jar? I'm like, oh, it's just a little body butter, you know. Can I put it on my face? Like, yeah, if you want to. But this body butter, it really oils you down. So if you don't want to be looking too greasy in the face or too oily, I wouldn't. I don't necessarily put body butter on my face. I like to go with a lighter moisturizer, but my hands get so dry. Sometimes they look really, you know, between the index finger and the thumb, how it gets like white in between there because it's so ashy. I get like that sometimes because I like to wash my hands. I stay washing these hands, you know, so this is perfect. And the next clip, I'm just going to show you the cute little bags that I had put them in, and they fit in there perfectly. I don't know if I had tissue paper later on to put in them. I can't remember, but I gave them to them. They loved them. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And share this video on Facebook or send it to someone who may be interested. And if you do body butters and you have, like, maybe you sell them, maybe you can do like some limited edition versions like these. Or if you're going to do a pop-up shop, just to make yours stand out from everyone else's. I think that'd be something really cute for you to do. But thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.
Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.